Why would I need to reset my air conditioning unit?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a common issue many homeowners face: needing to reset their air conditioning unit. Resetting your AC unit can solve a variety of issues, but it's crucial to understand why you might need to do this and how to go about it properly.
When do you need to reset your AC unit?
There are several instances when resetting your air conditioning unit might be necessary. If you notice that your AC is not cooling properly, is turning on and off continuously, or if it's not turning on at all, a reset could be a quick and easy fix. Additionally, after a power outage, it's common for AC units to need a reset to function properly again.
Why would a reset help?
A reset can be thought of as a fresh start for your AC unit. It clears the internal system and can resolve minor glitches or system errors. Sometimes, repeated on and off cycles or a sudden power surge can cause the unit's internal circuitry to freeze or malfunction. Resetting the AC unit can often resolve these minor issues without the need for a professional service call.
How do you reset your AC unit?
Most AC units have a reset button typically located near the power cord. If you can't find it, consult your owner's manual. Here's a simple process to reset your AC. 1. Turn off your AC unit at the thermostat. 2. Find the circuit breaker that powers your AC unit and turn it off. 3. Wait for about 30 minutes. This allows any residual charge to dissipate. 4. Turn the circuit breaker back on. 5. Finally, locate the reset button on your AC unit and press it.
When should you call a professional?
While a reset can fix minor issues, if the problem persists, it might be time to call a professional. Consistent issues might indicate a larger underlying problem with your AC unit, such as a refrigerant leak, a malfunctioning compressor, or electrical problems. Don't ignore these signs. Prolonged problems can lead to more significant damage and more expensive repairs. There you have it. Now you know why and when you might need to reset your air conditioning unit, and how to do it. Remember, while resetting can often fix minor glitches, don't hesitate to call a professional if your unit continues to malfunction. Stay cool and comfortable. Remember to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.